Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Most of you are not subscribed. Don't forget to leave a comment and click the bell notification so you know anytime that I go live. Okay, today we have a red wine raspberry chicken salad. And it's real easy to do. First thing we got to do is make the red wine vinaigrette. And it's just as easy as you think it is. As you can see here, to our condiment bottle, you can pick these up at any Walmart for about $1 a piece. We're going to be adding about a teaspoon of Dijon to a 1/4 cup of olive oil. And then we want to add 1 clove of minced garlic and 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. Like I said, this dressing is really simple, and a lot does in fact go a long way. Then, of course, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, pop the top on, and shake the hell out of it. And you should be looking at something a little bit like that. Sorry I didn't bother to square the shot. Okay, let's move on to making our chicken. Okay, now we have 2 chicken breasts that I pounded down so that the back end is about as thick as the front end. Way to do this, just grab 2 pieces of parchment paper, grab a meat mallet, and just lightly tap everything into shape. And then just a little olive oil in the pan, and salt and pepper. And then just cook this till it's done. And in a bowl, we have some baby spinach. And then we have our chicken that I kind of cubed up into fairly large chunks. I decided a little bit of less is more with this. Of course, I rested the chicken, cut it, and rested it just a little bit. Again, then we're going to add a little bit of cheddar cheese. If you don't like cheddar or whatever, you can certainly substitute another cheese of your liking. Swiss is also a good choice. And then we're going to start adding some raspberries. Then we're going to douse that with our red wine vinaigrette. And that's really it. So that's a red wine raspberry chicken salad. Done.